About 2 years ago, while I was studying about ITSM, Information Technology Service Management, I discovered Lean. And it somehow ended my search, a search of how to be a better manager, how to motivate people, how to improve performance. It's all included in the Lean thinking. Well, I've been studying a lot about Lean, but recently I finished reading 2 Seconds Lean from Paul Walker's, and I'm following his advice about record the Kaizen. And this video is about a little Kaizen. To be more specific, home Kaizen and laundry room Kaizen. So here I am in the laundry room in the Gamba where the work is done to show you. So here we go. We have 2 washing machines, but the first problem is about the outlet. I have just one outlet. So to power the 2 machines, I need to use 2 outlets. This is not good because this way I cannot close the door. So, well, this is the first problem. Second, the way we set up this washing machine. And well, the way to use the drain. It's always a struggle, and well, we need to eliminate this struggle. Maybe we can use some quick changeover principle. So this is what I'm thinking to do. Well, the laundry room consists of 2 rooms. This is the inside room, and there is this outside room. It's disorganized. So there's a room for 5S, and I want to make a good use of this space. It's far from optimal. So that's what I'm thinking about in this Kaizen. To fix these problems with the washing machine, quick changeover with this one, and organize all of this stuff to make more to make a better place to work, and a way to hide the cleaning products because it's dangerous for our children. So that's it.
Okay, so I've changed the outlet with one that has 3 inputs. So I've solved the first problem. Then about the setup, the quick changeover of this washing machine, I've started changing the faucet with 2 water outputs in order to make it easier. So this is a video showing the load and the unload of this washing machine. This is the the draining system that I've developed. It's very simple. Maybe it's a little silly, but it works. I think that's the best thing. Now we have the closest line. They were not optimal. I've changed it. I replaced them and make a place for the broom, dustpan, and floor squeegee. And that way I've measured the closest line, and now I have 12.6 meters. Formerly I had 80.4 meters of closest line, so it's an improvement of 50%. Very, very good. Besides that, I have much more space. It feels much more organized. So I was very happy about the result. So this is it. For me, it was a really fun way to put lean thinking, lean practices, Kaizen in use. So I hope you've enjoyed. See you.